Hi, I'm John with Tax TV, here to discuss some tax tips relating to deduction of research and development expenditures for manufacturing. Although these are generally considered capital expenses, they can be deducted as current business expenses. R&D expenses are any reasonable costs you incur in your trade or business for activities intended to provide information to help eliminate uncertainty about the development or improvement of a product. A product can include an invention, a formula, a patent, a pilot model, process, or technique. The types of expenses not included in deductible R&D expenditures would include advertising or promotions, consumer surveys, research in connection with literary or historical projects, quality control testing, efficiency surveys, management studies, or the acquisition of another's patent, model, production, or process. There are two ways to account for R&D expenditures. You either deduct them in the tax year they were incurred, or you amortize the expenses over a period of at least 60 months. Generally, you can only make the choice to deduct R&D expenditures in the first year you incur such expenses. Anything not deducted in the current year or deferred or amortized must be charged to a capital account. To amortize your R&D expenses, you deduct the expenses in equal amounts over 60 months or more, and the amortization period begins the month you first receive an economic benefit from the research. You can amortize R&D expenditures chargeable to a capital account if both of the following criteria are met. You must have paid or incurred the R&D expenditure in your trade or business, and you're not currently deducting the expenditures. In addition, you have the option of deducting or writing off R&D expenditures ratably over a 10-year period, beginning with the tax year the expenses were incurred, if you choose not to amortize or deduct them as a current expense. And finally, you may claim a non-refundable R&D credit against tax for certain qualified R&D expenditures and combine the credit as one of the components of the general business credit. For more information relating to manufacturing, it could prove productive to check out taxtv.com.